to walk around info real quick.
Sure.
Cool off. I like this, man. Did you do this?
Yeah.
This is awesome and unique.
Thank you.
Very unique, dude.
415.6 on 140.1 right now.
What would you call this box?
It's a 6 order.
Okay. It seems like more, it's a 6, but the way it's designed.
It's definitely, I mean, we went for the clamshell and then the clamshell had to spread out because of the baffle.
Okay.
This is actually the old baffle from my old wall. Got it repurposed, so this is all scrap wood basically.
Wow. What all is in here?
I got 4 death penalty 15s on a single port 40.1 right now at 0.35, and the mids amps took a crap, so I got no mids, so it's just straight bass.
Thanks for the demo, dude. That is low. What frequency is that?
That was 23.
Whew. That's where it's so low. It's so windy, low, and it's still loud for that.
It's decent. It's decent.
Man.
I have the second 40.1 right here, but it does better on 1 at 0.35 than 2 at 0.7 each.
Oh, so you're actually running low. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like your bass knob.
Thank you. I don't even use it. I just
have it turned up.
No, it's the RC. I have RCA problems. That's why. That's why my mids amp is messed up.
Gotcha.
So you hear it cutting in and out. I got to rewire all my RCA.
So what made you do this? Show it. Make it look pretty. Yeah. It looks good.
I got Plexi for a good deal, so I had to use it somewhere in here.
Yes, sir. What are these subs rated at?
2K.
2K.
Yeah.
How much do you think you're giving it?
I'd be lucky to get 3K out of it. I'm sure I'm rising over at least ohm and a half, maybe 2. So I might be seeing 2.5, 3.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah. I like the way this is unique, man.
Yes,
did you make that?
Yes, that fab.
Wow.
2.5 sheets of wood.
You broke this? Uh-oh.
No, they're just Velcroed on so I can take them off
that's a good idea, yeah, for your amps.
Yep.
Interesting.
Yep.
And your tunings, I forgot about that part.
Rear's 28, front right now with this port, smaller port's 55.
55? Okay. Yeah. Whew. What about your electrical, battery and alternator?
I got a CES 390 right now, and then 4 extra batteries, 2 on each side of the wall.
Okay. Could I see the alternator?
Yeah. Goodness.
Really nice, yeah, man. Appreciate the demo and walk around. Nice to meet you too, man.
Yeah, definitely.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.